Thanks for tuning in to Corcelli's Morning Market Update. S&P futures are down 5.75 handles this morning. Crude oil is up 1%, getting a nice bid. Natural gas is down 0.1%. Gold is up 0.5%. Dr. Copper up 0.9%. Coffee up 0.6%. Moving on to equities in the European region. Equities are trading down and down big this morning. Down anywhere from 0.8% in Switzerland to over 2.25% in Italy. Wonder what's going on over there. Anyway, Japanese equities down 1.47%. Shanghai Composite up 0.6%. Bucking the trend. Moving along. Bonds. Sovereign bond yields across the world are higher. Sell-off in sovereign bonds, with the exception being Australia and New Zealand. The rest of the world is red. Higher yields, lower prices. Looking at some of the top news out this morning. I think the biggest story out this morning is the Bank of Japan. They basically decided to not do as large of a fiscal stimulus package as expected. It was supposed to be over 200 billion, and it came in about half of that, causing concern. If we take a look at the Japanese yen versus the dollar this morning, we see strength in the Japanese yen. Why? Because the fiscal stimulus package wasn't as big as expected, and it caused the dollar to sell off versus it in some strength. Not sure exactly why the Japanese government decided to not do as much fiscal stimulus. They may be trying to keep their powder dry. Anyway, Buffett ripping Trump on tax returns, bankruptcies. You can't help but think, I wonder if any of Buffett's companies have declared bankruptcy. That'd be an interesting thing to research today. This is about Japan and what I was just talking about. Let's take a look at some of these currency pairs. Just want to see how the dollar is performing versus a basket of currencies this morning. We got the euro, and survey says dollar weakness, euro strength. What else do we have here? We have the British pound, aka the sterling. Seems like it's the highest it's been in a little bit, but let's take a peek. So we have some good strength in the British pound at 132.80. So if we look at it on a shorter term basis, we see dollar weakness seems to be the theme today. Dollar weakness is also showing up in the price of oil, with oil up 1%. Let's take a peek at the Canadian dollar. We were talking about it here this morning, and I was saying how Canada is such a great country. Yep, another similar trend here. Let's look at the dollar versus a basket of currencies this morning, and we see dollar weakness versus the basket DXY index. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. There's a lot of economic data coming out in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you're going to see a lot of spending. You're going to see a lot of income. You're going to see a lot of information coming out on consumption. So stay tuned. Have a great day. Good luck investing today. As always, take care. Bye now.